To begin, the teacher must create an account or enter with his Google account. In quizzes, you can create, edit, import, copy, share links, download in PDF, or erase quizzes. In rooms, it's where you change the name of the room by clicking on the pencil. You have to write in the end. In reports, you have direct access to test reports performed. Results is active when it's underway a test or a quiz. Now, sign up as a student. As you can see, this is the quiz that I created with my teacher account. After you answer as a student, the results should appear in your teacher account in the Results taskbar. When you're logged in as a teacher, you should see this type of menu here.